PDAparts.com presents the Palm Centro Take-Apart Directions.
Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. This video is copyright AX Microsolutions Inc.
Turn the Palm Centro over and remove the battery door and the battery. There's a small rubber cap at the top right corner that needs to be removed also. You're now going to remove 6 torx screws with a torx driver, available at PDAparts.com. Using a case opener tool that you can purchase from PDAparts.com, run it along the edge of the plastics. This will release the back plastic from the center bezel. Once that's been released, you'll be able to remove the back plastics. At the bottom of the unit near the connector, there is a plastic piece that goes over the connector. You'll need to slide that off. You'll now be removing 2 ribbon cables which are in connectors. Sometimes there will be a piece of tape over each of the ribbon connectors holding it into the connector slot. You'll need to remove the tape prior to removing the ribbon cables. With the tape removed, carefully lift the brown tab up to a 45-degree angle, which will now allow the ribbon cable to come out. Repeat the same process of lifting the brown tab to a 45-degree angle on the other side to release the ribbon cable. You'll now be able to lift up at the bottom near the connector and remove the motherboard by sliding it out the bottom. The screen is now sitting in the front bezel and held in with a piece of protective tape. Removing the screen will now allow you to remove the protective shielded tape and allow you to remove the screen completely out of the unit. You are now complete.
For all your parts and accessory needs, please be sure to visit us on the web at PDAparts.com. Use discount code at checkout YouTube for 5% off your first order for a limited time.